Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Students, today we will do the revision of chapter number 13. So, from your book, open page number 165. 165. Triangles and quadrilaterals. Let's start. First is collinear points. Second is non-collinear points. Dishita from the class 5th C. Dishita, unmute yourself. Karthik Sehgal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Karthik, collinear points. Co.
Points with
Yes, tell me points which.
points which lie on line are close to linear points.
Yes, what is the meaning of co? And what is the meaning of linear? Your definition is correct, beta. What is the meaning of co and what is the meaning of linear? Co means same. Co word is used for same. And linear word is used for line. So points that are on the same line are called collinear points. बेटा आपको याद करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Understand the concept. Co is used for same and linear is used for line. So points on the same line are called collinear points. Like this, if we have this line A, B, C. A, B, C are on the same line. It means here A, B and C are collinear points. Next is non-collinear. Non-collinear. Non-collinear means not on the same line. Non word is used for not. Not on the same line. Like this. P, Q, R. Now, tell me, by joining these 3 points, which figure you will get? By joining these 3 non-collinear points. Yes, very good, Mehak. Join P with Q, Q with R, and R with P. And we will get a triangle. We will get a triangle. So this is very important concept. A triangle is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Fine. The knowledge of this thing is very important. Next we have property number 1. Property number 1, which is based on angles. If we have a triangle M N O. Then this is angle M, this is angle N, and this is angle O. Yes, write down in the chat box. Property which is based on angles of a triangle. Harman. Harman, unmute yourself. Mehak, your answer is incorrect. Students who want to reply this, raise your hands. Yes, Bhavya.
मैम मैम 2-3 दिन से मैं क्लासेस नहीं लगा रही मैम कैन यू टेल which chapter has been done or yesterday?
Yesterday we have done chapter number 9 and Zoom lecture is available on the YouTube. आपको प्रॉब्लम
ma'am.
आएगी नहीं, मेरा पूरा लेक्चर YouTube पे है, you can check. And today chapter number 13. Fine.
ओके मैम मेरे हाथ पर चोट भी लगी हुई ना मैम तो भी नहीं.
नो इशू बेटा, जूम लेक्चर को तो सुनना है ना आपने, लिखना थोड़ी ना. यू कैन चेक द लेक्चर फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब.
ओ थैंक.
ओके दिव्या.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग. टेल मी द प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1 which is based on angles.
एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी.
Very good. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Sum. Sum means, what is the meaning of sum? In maths, what is the meaning of this sum? SUM sum?
प्लस.
Very good.
Plus.
Yes, plus. It means angles को plus कर दो. This is the property. Angle sum property. Sum means plus, plus कर दो किसको? Angles को. It means angle M, angle N, angle O is equal to 180 degree. So this is the angle sum property and this symbol is very much compulsory. Angle M, angle N, angle O is equal to 180 degree. Very good. Now come to the question number 6 from the exercise 13A. Exercise 13A, 6th question. C part is angle M is given to you 100 degree. Angle N is given to you 30 degree and the question is to find angle L. Angle L is equal to question mark. Find. Angles are given. So we will apply the angle sum property. First of all, you will write here angle sum property. This is very much compulsory to write. ये नहीं है कि डायरेक्ट प्लस करना स्टार्ट कर दो. Very much compulsory to write this. As angles are given, तो हम angles को क्या करेंगे? प्लस. प्लस का क्या मीनिंग होता है? सम. किसको करना है? एंगल को. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. सो एंगल M प्लस angle N plus angle L is 180. Always 180. Look, this is M, मैंने M लिख लिया. This is N, मैंने N लिख लिया. This is L, मैंने L लिख लिया. So write in a sequence. What is M? 100. Degree. Degree is very much compulsory. N 30 degree. and L as it is. Now 100 plus 100 plus 30. So add and you will get 130 degree plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Next is to find the value of this L, you will shift this 130 degree from the left hand side to the right hand side and plus will change to minus. So angle L is equal to 180 minus 130 degree. So you will get 50 degree. So this is your result. Like this you will solve your sum. Add in a sequence M N L. M N L is equal to 180 degree. Always 180 degree. Now put the values 100, 30. 100 plus 30, 130. After shifting, 180 minus 130 will give you 50 degree. So what is the name of this property? Angle sum property. Come to the question number 7. After this, come to the 7th question. Seventh question is, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 2:3:4. Ratio of angles 2:3:4. Anyone who know how to solve this sum? Mehak.
Ma'am,
Mehak, tell me the step number 1. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 2 minutes. Ma'am, 2 minutes. Ma'am, first, ma'am, it is 7th question.
Yes, this is 7th question. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. महक बेटा कॉपी से
Ma'am,
देख
first we
कॉपी
will
से
write.
देख के नहीं बोलना. एंजल प्रीत.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, first, angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree.
Angle of a triangle is equal to, this is first step. चलो आगे.
Ma'am, then angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree.
No beta, this method is not applicable because angles are not given, ratio is given. This symbol is of ratio. मैथ्स में जब भी आपको ये दिखेंगे ना तो इसको मैथ्स में क्या बोलते हैं? रेशो. रेशो इज यूज्ड फॉर कंपैरिजन. ये जो रेशो का सिंबल है ना, दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर कंपैरिजन. आप जो बोल रहे हो वैसे नहीं होगा बेटा डायरेक्ट सम, क्योंकि एंगल्स नहीं है, ये रेशियो है. We will apply the angle sum property if angles are given. Fine. So step 1, all the students listen very carefully. Step number 1. If the ratio is given, then we will apply this method that I am going to explain. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is the first step. Add 2 plus 3 plus 4 and you will get 9. Fine. After that, come to the step number 2. Angle 1. This is the Quotient for angle number 1. This first number 2 divided by 9 multiplied by 180 degree. Why multiplication with 180 degree? What is the reason? Because in a triangle, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. That's why. So do the cancellation. 9 ones are 9 20s are. So 2 multiplication with 20 give you 40 degree. After that, angle 2, this is for 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is for 2, 3. So 3 divided by again this total 9 multiplied by 180 degree. So again 9 ones are 9 20s are 180. So 3 multiplied by 20 degree, you will get 60 degree. Very much compulsory to put the symbol of degree, otherwise your half marks will be cut. Similarly, Angel, tell me how can you find angle third? Now tell me Angel, one
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ कर दिया मैंने, second भी कर दिया. Tell me how can we find this angle 3? Angel Preet?
4 out of 9.
4 out of 9. It means
Yes,
4
ma'am.
by 9. Yes.
Multiply by
Multiplied by?
180 degree.
Yes, very good.
180
And
degree.
after that?
Cancellation.
Cancellation?
9 ones and 9. 180 degree cut 20.
Yes.
Multiply by 4. 20 is equal to.
Yes. 4 twos are?
Is equal
80 degree. Because 4 twos are 8
80.
along with 0. So like this, you will solve the sum if ratio is given. बेटा ये अपने माइंड में फिट कर लो, ये जो सिंबल है ये किसका सिंबल है? दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ रेशियो. Fine. And like this you will solve. In the step number 1 you will add all. 2 plus 3 plus 4 will give you 9. After that angle 1, ये 1 2 divided by total. Total is 9 multiplied by 180 degree. Fine. Angel Preet, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now come to the next. Next is it possible to have a triangle? Check question number 5th. Question number 5th and F part. 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 2 centimeter, centimeter. Now check. Degree is not given now, centimeter is given. And centimeter will indicate that the sum is based on, students write down in the chat box. This centimeter will indicate that sum is based on very good Darsh. Well done. Sides. Centimeter will indicate that sum is based on sides. Yes. Now, Agrim. Yes, Agrim, raise your hand, beta. Agrim, raise your hand. Yes, Agrim, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes, tell me, how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, in
plus B should be bigger than C.
A plus B bigger than C.
B plus C bigger than A.
Yes.
Then C plus A bigger than B.
What is A, B and C?
Ma'am,
What is A? What? Yes, yes, tell me.
the 10 centimeter and 2 centimeter.
Very good.
Then the
First of all,
sides.
yes, this is A, this is B, and this is C. First of all, you will assign name. This is your first step, and this step is your second step. First of all, you will assign name. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Now, A plus B is bigger than C. Put the value.
Ma'am,
What is
10
A?
plus
What is A?
10.
10.
10.
What is B?
12.
Bigger than 2. So 22 bigger than 2. This is true or false?
True.
True. As we know 22 2 से बड़ा ही होता है. Very good. Tell me next, Agrim.
Ma'am, 12 plus 2 is equals to 14.
Not is equal. बेटा ऐसे ही चलो जैसे लिखा है. जैसे लिखा है ऐसे ही चलो.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Should
हाँ.
be bigger than
Bigger than 10. So 14 is bigger than 10. This is true.
True.
Fine? Yes. Write the relation and put the values. Then we will check that true or false. Now tell me next.
Ma'am, 2 plus
2 plus
10
very good 10
bigger than 12.
12. So 12 is bigger than 12.
Ma'am, no.
12 is bigger than 12. 12 से bigger होता है? No. False.
No.
This is yes false. तो अगर हमारे पास एक भी false आ गया.
Ma'am, now we will write no triangle is not formed.
Yes. So you will conclude a triangle. A triangle is not formed. And Agri, you know what is the name of this property?
No.
Triangular inequality. Property which is based on angles is known as angle sum property, but the property which is based on sides is known as triangular inequality, and you will write here as triangular inequality. Triangular inequality. Inequality fails. फेल है ये. क्यों फेल है? क्योंकि हमेशा बिगर आने चाहिए रिजल्ट, पर यहाँ पे हमारा फॉल्स आ गया. सारे के सारे ट्रू होने चाहिए आपके. द सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स ऑलवेज बिगर देन द थर्ड साइड, पर यहाँ पे हमारा फॉल्स है क्योंकि 12 से बिगर होता है. नो, ये तो फॉल्स हो गया. तो ट्रायंगुलर इनइक्वालिटी फेल्स. हमारी ट्रायंगुलर इनइक्वालिटी फेल हो गई. फाइन, वेरी गुड अग्रिम, वेल डन.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now come to the next. We have one more sum. Come to the B part. B part. 7 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. बेटा इन ट्राइंगुलर इनइक्वालिटी all the three columns true, all the three columns with true, then a triangle is formed. अगर एक भी आपका फॉल्स हो गया तो ट्राइंगल नहीं बनेगा. ना आपका इक्वल आना चाहिए, ना आपका लेस आना चाहिए. द सम ऑफ टू साइड्स, sum of two sides always bigger than third, always bigger than third, always. जैसे अभी 12 इज इक्वल टू 12 आया था तो मैंने क्या बोला, फॉल्स हो गया ना. सो अगर आपके 3 के 3 कॉलम ट्रू रहेंगे तभी ट्राइंगल बनेगा. अगर एक भी कॉलम फॉल्स हो गया तो ट्राइंगल नहीं बनेगा. फाइन. नाउ कम टू द डी पार्ट. Yes. My question for Ranesh. Ranesh, unmute yourself. Yes. Ranesh, you are unmute. Tell me how can we solve this sum, Ranesh? Harkirat. Harkirat, unmute. Harkirat, yes. Harkirat,
Ma'am, first we will.
First you
Good
will
morning, ma'am.
First of all, on your video. I want to see your face. Yes. Now, अब बोलो.
Ma'am, first we will convert it into ABC.
First of all, we will convert नहीं, we will assign name. Convert नहीं करेंगे, हम इनको name देंगे. ठीक है? This is A, this is B, and this is C. Fine. Now tell me, what is the next step?
Okay, ma'am. First B bigger than C.
A plus B bigger than C.
B plus C bigger than A.
B plus C bigger than A.
A plus C bigger than B.
A plus C bigger than B. Now what is the next step?
7 plus 3
Very good.
centimeter
7 plus 3
bigger than 4.
So 10 is bigger than 4. This is true or false?
True.
Very good. 10 4 से bigger होता है. This is true. Now come to the next.
3 plus 4 bigger than
3 plus 4 bigger than
7.
7. 7 is bigger than 7.
No, false.
7 is bigger than 7. False. Now students look. आपको यहाँ पे ही false मिल गया ना, तो इसको करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. No need. आपको सेकंड कॉलम में ही false मिल गया. It means ट्रायंगल बनना ही नहीं. तो अगर आपको सेकंड कॉलम में ही false मिल रहा है, no need to solve third step. No need. And conclude here, a triangle is not formed. इसको करना है कर दो, अगर करना चाहते हो कर भी सकते हो. फाइन. बट आपका एक स्टेप ही इंक्रीज होगा क्योंकि हमें यहीं से ही पता लग गया अभी हमारा ट्राइंगल नहीं बनेगा. ये कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है अभी मैंने बोला इसको नहीं करना, आपने करना है कर लो. फाइन. जैसे A है 7 plus 4 bigger than 3, 11 is bigger than 3. This is true. True, but ये तो फॉल्स है ना, अगर एक भी फॉल्स आ गया तो ट्राइंगल विल नॉट फॉर्म्ड. सो अ ट्राइंगल इज नॉट फॉर्म्ड एज triangular inequality, as triangular inequality fails. Because triangular inequality fails. Because एक फॉल्स आ गया, सारे के सारे ट्रू होंगे तभी ट्राइंगल बनेगा, नहीं तो नहीं बनेगा. वेरी गुड हरकीरत, वेल डन. Wait students, I am going to take your attendance. Start reading question number 8 from your book. Beta, who is on the ID of Vivo 1716? Kindly write down your name in the chat box. And Oppo A5. बेटा आपकी एब्सेंट लगेगी, क्या फायदा. Write down your name in the chat box. What is your name? Next, come to the Chaitanya Mehra. Okay. Lavanya. Fine. Lavanya and Chaitanya. Fine. I have noted. Now come to the next. Eighth question. One of the two angles of an isosceles triangle measure 55 degree. Determine the other angles. Now tell me students, how can we solve this sum? Pratigya. Pratigya, unmute yourself. Yes.
First we will write angle 1 equal to 55 degree.
Yes.
Angle
Then-
2 equal to 55 degree.
Yes.
Angle 3 equal to question mark.
Now Pratigya, tell me why these two angles are 55 degree. What is the reason?
Ma'am, because in an isosceles triangle the two sides are same but one side is not same.
But the question is not based on sides, Pratigya. The question is based on angles. And you are giving explanation according to the sides. My question is not based on side. My question is based on angle, degree. Your explanation is 50% correct and 50% part is missing from your explanation. If anyone knows, write down in the chat box why angle 1 is 55 and angle 2 is also 55. Angel Preet Kaur, tomorrow we will revise chapter 11. Fine? So no need to worry. Tomorrow is a revision of chapter 11. Karthik Sehgal, two equal angles because it is isosceles. Yes. Now Karthikya, listen to me beta very carefully. ये हमने property की थी as two sides are equal. It means two angles are equal. So this is the property of an isosceles triangle. So you will say, आप क्या बोलोगे? As the triangle is an isosceles, it means two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means two angles are also equal. So this is the correct explanation. Pratigya, follow me. Pratigya, are you hearing me, beta? Yes, Pratigya, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Follow. मैंने क्या बोला है?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Ma'am,
And
as two sides are equal, it means two angles are equal.
हाँ, this is the property of an isosceles triangle. ठीक है? So that's why angle 2 is also 55 degree. Now angles are given, so we will apply the angle sum property. Yes. This thing is very compulsory to write. Angle sum property. And Pratigya, what is the meaning of sum?
Plus.
Very good. तो प्लस कर दो एंगल्स को. एंगल 1, एंगल 2, एंगल 3 is equal to 180 degree. What is angle 1? 55. What is angle 2? 55. Angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So 55 plus 55 will give you 110. Now tell me, how can you find this third angle?
Ma'am, first we will write angle 3 equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree.
Yes. So you will get 70 degree. Fine. And this is not compulsion कि आपने 1, 2, 3 लिखना है. आप यहाँ पे A, B, C भी लिख सकते हो. This is A,
Okay, ma'am.
this is B, and this is C. Yeah, this is P, this is Q, this is R. Your wish. According to your wish, assign any name. जरूरी नहीं है मैंने 1, 2, 3 लिखा है तो आपने भी 1, 2, 3 लिखना है. आपको जो अच्छा लगता है वो लिखो. But the reason is, as a triangle is isosceles, two sides are equal, so it will indicate that two angles are also equal. Well done, Pratigya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now come to the next. Come to the question number 9. Ninth question. Ninth question is, one of the two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 48 degree. Find the other acute angle. The question is, one of the two acute angles. It means angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because right angled triangle. Fine. Angle 2 is equal to 48 degree and angle 3 is equal to question mark, like this. Again, according to the angle sum property, according to the angle sum property, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 is 180. Now put the value. What is angle 1? 90. What is angle 2? 48. And this is angle 3. Add 90, 48. 90 plus 48, 138. Plus 3 is 180. So angle 3 is 180 minus 138. And this will give you 42 degree. So the result is 42 degree. So this is the way to solve this sum. Fine. So students, revise this chapter. Fine, chapter number 13. And tomorrow, as you know, is your revision test now. I will send you the PDF of revision test at 3 p.m. And tomorrow we will revise chapter number 11, speed, distance and time. Fine? Bye-bye. Thank you and have a nice day.